Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So what do we have for you today? We have a collaboration and it's called the Tropical Getaway Freestyle Tablescape, and it's an open collab, and that's hosted by Marlene How-Tos. Okay, so I hope I don't get anybody's name wrong, so forgive me if I do. So the co-hosts are Johnson Home Decor, Tamikia Rosero, Penny's Lifestyle Living, and Deborah Cabassa Home Living. So I decided to name my tablescape today Lemon Drops. I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with the channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to the playlist to see how everybody else created their tablescape. So now if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you who have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? And when you click like and full watch a video, this helps us to grow on YouTube. Remember that in all collaborations, we always exercise YouTube etiquette. Now, if I didn't say it before, and I think I did, but anyway, make sure and click that like button because this helps YouTube to notice me just a little bit more. Now, I'm going to leave you to a little bit of music as I put this table together, and then I'll see you in the end. Now it's time to light the candles, so we're almost ready for the reveal. Now the background vases and the florals did come from the Dollar Tree, and I did DIY all 4 of those vases. Now I did decide to use yellow roses, and then I placed a little bowl of lemons right in the center. Now let's take a closer look at the table. So I got some boas, and I believed I got those at Hobby Lobby. Now the tablecloth was thrifted, and I believe that came from the Goodwill. Now the chargers, I got those at the Dollar Tree along with the dishware. So we got the dishware, the lemons. Isn't that beautiful? Now the napkins I thrifted, and I believe I also got that from the Goodwill. Now the Dollar Tree carries the silver utensils in the sleeve, and so that is where our utensils came from. And pretty much that's it. So the napkins, what I did is I wrapped a doily around them. I love how that looks, very feminine. And then I decided to take from the greenery in the Dollar Tree. They have ferns, and I decided to stick a fern inside of the napkin, and I think that gave it that touch that I was looking for. And overall, everything came out absolutely beautiful. And of course, we're out in my enclosed porch, and I have the lights on. It's just so romantic. I just absolutely love it, and I hope you do too. Now I want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for this collaboration. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.